The Wall Street Journal is reporting that many companies that employ low-wage employees are moving toward offering part-time jobs to mitigate Obamacare's requirement that companies provide health care or pay a fee. Restaurants, hotels, and retailers have started or will be starting to limit schedules of hourly workers to below 30 hours per week. That is the threshold at which employees would have to offer insurance or pay a $2,000 fine for each worker. That portion of the law will go into effect in 2014. A report by Capital Economics reported by CNBC warns that Asian economies could cause the next financial crisis as private sector credit surges. Hong Kong, Vietnam, and China have the most private credit, and as long as their economies continue to grow, the economy will remain in balance. In Ireland, credit usage grew rapidly, along with home prices. When the bubble burst, however, the economy was thrown into bankruptcy. Experts worry about similar challenges, especially in China, where real estate prices are increasing. Asian markets and European markets are both down today due to uncertainty in the U.S. election. The Associated Press reports that Apple paid an income tax rate of only 1.9% on its earnings outside of the U.S. in its last fiscal year. Foreign earnings totaled $36.8 billion, on which Apple paid $713 million in taxes. Foreign earnings were up 53% from 2011. The tech giant's corporate tax rate for U.S. earnings is 35%. Apple may pay some taxes to countries in which the products are sold, but uses a technique known as double Irish with a Dutch sandwich, which routes earnings through various countries to avoid taxes. Apple does set aside part of its foreign profits, which could make up subject to U.S. tax in the future. USA Today is reporting that the cargo industry suffered an estimated $1 billion in damages due to Hurricane Sandy. The Port of New York and New Jersey's maritime container terminals remain closed, and ships are diverting to other cities. Additionally, shippers face labor and maintenance for trucks and trains that are still not moving through the flooded area. Estimates are that the industry is losing $80 million per day. Blocking cargo threatens the entire economy because businesses are unable to receive their supplies. Greece's coalition government faces two important votes this week in order to secure the next portion of its bailout loans from creditors. According to the Associated Press, key votes on budget bill and an omnibus bill that allows for further cuts will be voted upon. However, one of the minority parties threatens to vote against the bill. The bill needs only a simple majority to pass. The bill must be passed prior to the meeting of the Eurozone financial ministers on November 12th. Meanwhile, Greek workers plan on striking throughout the week. Arabica coffee futures in recent weeks have been well below 2011 levels when prices peaked above $3 per pound. The Wall Street Journal indicates that coffee futures closed at $1.53 per pound last week. Brazilian coffee growers are storing their beans in order to raise prices, but Colombia and Central America growers just finished their harvest and are pushing prices lower. Brazil accounts for 1/3 of the world's coffee production. But Central American growers cannot hold their crops and continue to try to sell their harvests. This will force Brazilians to sell their beans and cause prices to drop even lower. I guess this is a good time to grab a cup of joe. Reporting from Millionaire Corner, I'm Heather Kiley. Thanks for watching.